Will litigation finance continue its tremendous growth? The answer to this rests mostly in the hands of institutional investors, and whether or not they'll continue to invest their resources into this asset class. At IMN's second annual Litigation Finance Conference, Risk, Reward, Institutional Capital Perspectives, several questions were answered determined that investors will continue investing in litigation finance. However, the question provided to the panel that provided the best answer was, what are you hearing these days from institutional investors? Drew Kelly, an institutional investor, sounded a theme that is familiar to everyone who follows litigation finance: uncorrelated returns. Uncorrelated returns are investments that provide returns that are uncorrelated with the stock market. This makes litigation financing an incredibly attractive asset class for individuals' risk they have through exposure to the stock market. And if the United States were to enter into a recession, and the stock markets take a fall, institutional interest in litigation finance should only increase as more opportunities to invest will present themselves. As litigation finance is uncorrelated to the stock market, the average institutional investor may be unfamiliar with the industry, and as such, the next question must be asked. What do institutional investors look for when deciding to invest in a fund? In addition to the historical track record of the fund, institutional investors are looking for a strong team of legal and financial experts with experience in the industry. Additionally, some investors also ask whether or how the fund uses analytics for modeling and simulations when deciding which cases to back. Lastly, investors look for funds that are focused, and that they are familiar with, as opposed to ones that are trying to invest in everything for everyone. For example, some investors only invest in patent cases, whereas some investors only invest in personal injury cases. Therefore, litigation finance can benefit many types of investor expertise and comfort.